Hello and a very warm welcome to all of you. Very warm welcome to all of you. How are you doing? And this is the launch of the Uru collection. Now, you may call it a workwear, you may call it a budget wear, you may call it a pure cotton suit. There are many ways to describe this collection, and that's what's launching today. Pure Banarsi woven jacquard suit. That's what we are launching today, and very warm welcome to all of you and welcome. So I know it's been some amazing past few days. We had an amazing celebration, all through Diwali. I did, and then we had a very good rest. It was a relaxing time, and we are back re-energized with lots of many beautiful collection coming up for you guys. So I do hope that you guys had a wonderful time in all of these days. I have personally, as always, missed my life. So I think it's so much become a part of my life that when it's not there, I definitely miss seeing you guys. So hello everyone, so good to see so many of you join in. And it's our first live after Diwali. As promised, today is going to be a collection. It's a new collection launch, and this is the Uru. So some of you guys, oh, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yes, happy birthday, Miss Suki. This one's for you. It's your birthday. We could not wish you. So have a great day. And here I am pinning down the comment, the number where you can place your order for all the pieces that you see. I'm of course wearing the sunny side yellow. Yes, it's super sunny. It's one of my favorite colors because it's in this color that you suddenly start to feel so much brighter on any given day. So guys, this is the launch of the Uru collection. These are pure cotton, Banarsi, woven in jacquard, textured suit. I'm wearing color 1. I'm going to talk about it just in a bit, a little more. But I do want to show you the beautiful colors that we have lined up for you. Now, some time back we were doing a poll because we love doing that. We love to hear what you guys have to say about, whatever. I mean, what you would like to wear, what you're waiting for us to restock, so on and so forth. And I remember that, there were so many requests for you guys, from all of you, that you guys did want suits which were cotton, which you could wear every day, maybe no zari, under a certain budget. And here it is. This is a full-on collection just for all of you. These suits, these Uru suits, are 5,800, and we're going to talk about what all is there in it. Why is it so special? It's my absolute favorite. And for anyone who is new, who may not be aware, this is the second time we are launching the Uru. We did one launch where we had a very different set of colors, very different vibe. And yes, it was super popular, thanks to all of you. And this is the second time round we've come up with the Uru with a completely new collection. And I know the last time they were, people bought it for themselves, for gifting in all shades, for somebody who's working. A lot of you guys bought multiple shades, because yes, because it does not get better than this in terms of everyday wear. And it's not, you could of course design it in such a way that it becomes dressy, so you wear it a couple of times, outside for lunch or for work or for even small parties and all of that, and it's perfect. So guys, this is the Uru collection I am wearing. Now I'm going to just put aside the kurta because I want to show you the styling that we have done in this. Yes, these are perfect for everyday use, for something dressy, or you want to wear a color, a beautiful yellow or a green or a pink. It's all for you guys. So now I would have loved to stand and show you guys. We will be putting out the pictures very soon. This is so a little bit more. How do you add value to your beautiful suits at Banarsi? It's our starting range, but still, not without all the beautiful additions that can be done to accentuate them, to make them ooh ah, all of that, to make them really nice, to make that extra touch. Now we love embellishments, and we love always, we tell you guys, you can embellish them, put some laces, but I also particularly love fabric designs which are made. There's so much to our fabrics. There's that inherent beauty. It's woven, the colors are so pleasant. So a lot of time what I do say is that you can, add some value with the fabric. Now this is a designing that we've done. Look at that, look at that. Yes, this is a designing. I will show you the close-up of all of this. It's a fabric design with some beads which have been used, and it's also, done here all along on the front, and it's a panel design. I will show you the design. But what I mean to say is that sometimes, it's great to have just some fabric touch on them to make them extra look. And look at the tassels. Uru has been special. Last time we did some embroidery, thread work, and if you guys, you can also use that style. You can just ask us for the style for that one. But what has also been amazing about this suit set is this, the tassels which are handmade and which are so beautiful in this. This entire body you will see in the kurta and in the dupatta. This is a jacquard, self jacquard design. There is absolutely no zari. Even in our styling, we have used no zari, no lining on the sleeves, lining on the body. Now you will see this is the lining which has been used. I have styled it in a way that it's showing at the side. We have this fabric design. So guys, many ways of styling these pieces, but of course how I would say is that try a fabric on fabric styling. It looks wonderful, and it really retains the beauty of the fabric itself. Now on to the color, on the softness, whether do you need lining. I'm going to just talk about all of that. This is the second color. The first is of course this sunny yellow. And we do have pieces. Yes, we do have pieces. This is a big launch for us. But you guys know it. It's always limited. These are all limited pieces. And yes, you know the number 9324038084. That's the number which works during the live. Now, once the live is over, there are many numbers which are always listed on many of our posts. And you can just, simply place an order. Uru collection, 5,800 for this beautiful Banarsi cotton collection. And this is this is the second color that we're showing you. I'm going to show you to you like this, and then of course I'm going to open it. Now look at this. This is such a pleasant shade of green. So this, what's so special about Uru is of course, the very subtle beauty of this weaving which has been done. The tassels are super beautiful, they've always been, very signature. The fabric is also along with it woven. So, look at this. This is a 3-piece suit for 5,800. And I'm going to also just open. This is the, so look at this. This is the second color. And guys, you know what? It's going to be difficult to pick any one color because really they are as beautiful. Each one is a unique piece. And guys, so, okay, we did mention that we're going to be launching Uru, and that's what we are launching today. But you have to stay tuned because we also have a whole lot of Georgette dupattas and pure Katan silk fabrics also coming up after this. So look at this. This is the Uru. This is, the green shade. And it's, really, if you guys will ask me or my team, which one is your favorite? What do you suggest? It's going to be a tough one. So don't put us in that spot. Each of these colors have that unique feel. The last time, people bought it by numbers because yes, it is super nice for self-wear, for gifting, 5,800 for a 3-piece suit. The kurta is 2.5, the dupatta is 2.5, and look at this. This is how soft it is. There is no zari in it, which is a special point in this one because you can just wear it every day. And yes, it would need lining. Maybe some of you can use a slip, but personally, I always recommend a lining. You can use the softest lining. You can use, see, look at this. So this is the second color. This beautiful green is the second color, and this is the bottom. 2 more colors coming up. Yellow you have already seen, guys. I cannot found it. I could not find it, but now here it is. So this is the bottom. This is also a pure cotton. So lots of questions ki ye cotton hai ya chanderi cotton. This is cotton. This is Banarsi cotton, and look at this. This is how soft it is. So yes, I am going to suggest that you do use a lining. It will last you longer. And yes, even if it's cotton, now this is my suggestion always, I use it, couple of times, the first few times, always, we would recommend that you dry clean it for sure. And thereafter, after a few times, if you've done that and, you want to do a hand wash, never soak these, and especially if you have these, accentuations. So from us, there's only one recommendation, that you dry clean it. And yes, and look at this beautiful color. This is the second color. This is the lavender, and I love it. Now it's really difficult. I picked up a yellow because I was in the mood to, kind of wear this yellow. So I picked up a yellow. I didn't have so many yellows with me. This is a lavender, and these are all basically colors which we have chosen as a color palette for you guys, so that you can, look at this. You can wear it during the day, at night, in the morning, outside, in home, everywhere. So very versatile colors. And look at this, how soft it is. And this is how soft it is. All the jacquard design for you guys to see. The pictures are up online. What I'm wearing, the styling, we'll be putting that up as well in just a bit. So that will also be done. But look at this beautiful purple shade with this. Here it is, look at this. So this is a combination, and this one, now you could do so of course you can do embroidery if that's what you guys want. Surely you guys can do embroidery on it. You can do, simple fabric, accentuations on it, like this, what we've done. Or you could just make a nice fitted kurta and pants with it, and it would be amazing even then. So this is the color 2 of it. We've done, 3 colors so far. Of course, the yellow, and this is a very, very sunny yellow, guys. You can just wear it anywhere. Now, this is, a lining which is showing here, which is also here, at the side, and this is also there in the front. That's one style. Show me your style. Now, show me your style reminds me, and just give me a second, I'll tell you what it reminds me of. This is the pink, and it's a beautiful bubblegum pink. Yes, and in fact, since the time yesterday we've posted we've done a posting of the poster with showing you colors. We have had so many queries for all colors, especially the green and the pink, but of course also definitely for also all of the other colors. So yes, so this has been drawn, I think drawing a lot of attention, this beautiful shade of bubblegum pink. It's always popular. Use the best lining, use a soft lining. We are also going to be showing you Georgette dupattas and silk fabrics just in a bit. And wow, look at that design, look at it, look at the detailing, all of this. So it's a jacquard cotton suit with, so this is the second color. Here it is. This is the kurta, this is the dupatta, and it has a plain bottom which is coming up. So whether you wear it, whether you gift it, it's all up to you. So it's wonderful for all purposes. You can do, I always say some suits are wonderful to experiment. So if it's a style you've been thinking you want to wear, but you haven't had a chance, then this one is it. You can try. So this one, guys, is the last color of the Uru. Of course, I have the yellow. I'm going to show you the yellow, but I'm wearing the yellow. So look at this, a beautiful sunny yellow color. This is the bottom and the dupatta. Let me show you the dupatta again. But what I have loved about our Uru is the tassels. They are always so beautiful. So even if you do a very simple straight kurta just for work, even then it just gives you that extra edge. Here it is, the fourth color. The fourth color is right here. So this is the yellow, the super beautiful yellow, which will make any of your day. And yes, it will definitely brighten up your day. This is the pink color. I'm just going to show you all the colors. Yes, if you want to buy any of these pieces, guys, you just need to WhatsApp. There is one number, 9324038084, during the live. After it's over, other numbers will also start to work. So here it is. This is a gorgeous lavender, and guys, I know it's going to be difficult to choose, but of course, you know, these are 5,800 for the entire suit set, which means the dupatta with the tassels done, the beautiful tassels, in fact, the tassels are done, and the kurta is 2.5, the bottom is 2.5, and here it is, guys, 5,800 for the Uru collection. And here it is, all of these color, you know, I'm not going to call it ice cream color because really, you know, these are little, you know, maybe, but they're just as colorful and as beautiful, and you know, it's like a poppet color. You know what's a poppet? Anyways, it's from my kids vocabulary, but it's really just a beautiful mix of colors, and you know, it's one tone colors. So here you go, guys, and that was the launch of the Uru collection. But guys, as I said, we're not going to stop here. This is the Uru. For anyone who is joined in now, we have just launched the Uru collection. We have shown the 4 color options. I'm wearing one of these colors. But yes, and we have shown the other 3 colors as well, and all the videos on Facebook, on Instagram, they will be posted, and you can kind of have a look at them once this once this session is over. But Uru we had put down on the poster, but what we didn't tell you is that we're going to be showing you many different dupattas even today, and that's going to be a pure Georgette dupatta, guys. Here it is. So pure Georgette dupattas. Where did my combination go? I think there is a mix-up, but anyway, I think it was with a different color. But pure Georgette dupattas, and just look at that. Look at that. I'm going to do you, show you combinations in this Georgette dupattas with pure Katan silk. Now these are the Sona Rupa ones, and it's in beautiful range of colors. You'll see a pink, yellow, all of that coming up. We did want to show you all of these colors, and here we go. So today is about Uru, but it's also about pure Katan silk fabrics. Now these Sona Rupa fabrics, and look at that, that's the Sona Rupa fabric. You'll see a Kadwa work in it. This is pure Katan silk, 3,800 per meter, and just look at this color, the sheen. Now I definitely know it's the wedding season which is coming up, and you guys are prepping in full force. And I know that there were a lot of requests, while we were on a Diwali break, for you guys to see all of this very, very quickly so that you could make up your mind. And I'm going to now show you dupattas and fabrics together. And here it is, the first dupatta. This is from our pure Georgette Banarsi Sona Rupa, and this one, guys, is with Meena. This is 20,800 for this dupatta. Tassels are done, and it's in such a beautiful, it's a saffron. I think I'm going to definitely call this a saffron orange, because that is what it is. So yes, as promised, we're going to start with, yes, December prep, Jan prep, Feb prep. It's all going on, and we guys are here to, complete. And I know a lot of you coming from outside India. So whether it's, you guys want us to ship it to your family or to your boutiques, we are very happy to do so. So look at this. This is the first combination, pure Katan silk. It's in a beautiful shade of pink, and this dupatta, I love this shade. That's why I did want to show it to you, at the very beginning. This is our first piece, 20,800 for this piece. It has this touch of Meena in the border, and look at this. Here it is. So this is 20,800. The combination that I also wanted to kind of show you with this one was, I don't know how it got mixed up, but here it is. This is also a combination. So of course, you can never go wrong with a pink and orange. It's always a hit. But this is a very, look at this, the Meenas of the same color. So again, this Sona Rupa. So this is a Sona Rupa pure Katan fabric, and we're going to talk about it in just a bit. Let me just show you this one. and then keep it aside. Here it is. Now that I've taken out this fabric, I'm also going to show you another dupatta. And as I said, we do have many beautiful yellows today. Look at this. Again, a Sona Rupa in pure Georgette, pure Katan silk, and this is also in Sona Rupa and Karwa. So this one, the dupatta, the dupatta is in cut work, and this fabric is in it's in Karwa. Yes, so for anyone who is new to Banarsi, who's new to our lives or new to Neev, if there is all of these questions, what is a Karwa, what is a Sona Rupa, what is a Patola, we do have a very descriptive Neev guide coming up, and you guys can just read that and have a look and figure out, all the work that we keep talking about. So yes, so that's coming up. Here it is. Now this Katan silk is super premium. It's Sona, it's Rupa, and it's very, very soft. It's very, very soft. Look at this. I'm going to show you the back. This is brilliant for kurtas, for men, for women. It's also brilliant for an entire outfit. You can do an entire outfit with it. And here it is, this beautiful sunny yellow. And sometimes we never have yellow, and today today is one lucky day when we have many, many shades of yellow coming up. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, it's of course it's merging with my yellow, but guys, so look at this beautiful shade of yellow in Sona, in Rupa, the tassels. Here it is. And yes, all of these are single unique pieces. When it comes to the dupattas, they're all single unique pieces. So guys, here it is. This is the combination that we would recommend, but this is the ensemble connection, which means that you can get this together, but you can also buy it separately. Here it is. So let's keep this one aside. Yes. Let's keep that aside and let's get on. This is the dupatta. You could wear it with a gold, you could wear it with a pink. There are many options which you can kind of wear this one with. I'm going to show you another combination with this one. So if you're not in the mood for a blue, then this one for you. So this is a very it's a pink red color. Again, 3,800 Karwa Bhuta. Look at that. All of this fabric, very soft, perfect for kurtas, lehengas, all of that you guys want. This dupatta, 18,800, and this combination, you can take it together or you can take it separately. It's completely up to you guys. So yes, we do ship worldwide. Worldwide shipping is available. So wherever we have a shipping available, by DHL, that's our shipping partner, we do ship to you. So this is now the third color, I think the third color in pure Katan silk. Now these are always very popular, with us for a reason. We have, we do a couple of rounds of, these pieces in, this time of the year, when it's just the perfect time to wear your Katan silks. Katan silk is the Banarsi silk as we all know it. It's the Banarsi silk, and it is the fabric for occasions, for dressing up. And look at this blue, and how the contrast of the zari comes out in this one. Look at this, the tassels are ready. This is the piece, Sona Rupa in Georgette, and look at that. Look at all the detailing right there. Now, again, Georgette and Katan silk go pretty well together, and that's what we do in these ensemble combinations. That's because, we make these combinations put out for you perfectly, So, because sometimes you like contrast, sometimes you like a same on same. These ensemble, Neev ensemble, are such combinations which we have spent a lot of time making them, thinking about the pieces together, what would go well with what, for very, very specific looks. And this is one such piece. Now look at this navy blue. It's such a stunning color. Just see the work coming out. It's so deep. This is 18,800 for this beautiful shade of blue. It's a shade of blue. Now, ensemble means that you can buy together, separately. Yes, you can just place an order for this. We also have COD throughout India. So guys, okay, now, so we did put a post up, wearing a sari. I was wearing a sari. I just put it up for you guys to see. But we really don't work with saris. We specialize in fabrics, dupattas and suits. That's our specialization. Sometimes on order, vary some specific saris, we'll make it for you. So yes, that one sari which I wore yesterday, or the picture was up, yes, that we can do a custom made piece. It's a custom made piece. So yes, it's a time taking affair, but it can be done. But otherwise, we only work with fabrics, dupattas and suits, and all of them pure and all of them made in Banaras for us. And look at this, look at this, look at this combination. It's beautiful together. So an ensemble means that you can buy it together, but you can also buy it separately. Plain silks are available in all colors. You can get plain silk colors in all of them. So you want it in black, we'll be doing it as a chinia silk, not a katan silk. And guys, this is the dupatta. This dupatta is back. Now, I have so many requests from you guys for this dupatta. You know, there was this black combination with gold tissue that we've done. And this is that one piece. You know, these pieces take time to come. But yes, so at one point, I know my inbox was filled, you know, all of ours, my entire team, you know, sales team that we work with you guys. But this is the black dupatta. This is available, and Sona, Rupa and Georgette. And look at the flow. Just look at this flow, how it feels, how it goes, and it's amazing. So this pure Georgette dupatta in black, and I know. So this is 18,800. All of these are single pieces. You can place your order right now. You can take a screenshot right now and place your order if you want. Of course, if you want to wait it out, see the entire video a couple of times, that's also a superb idea, because I know sometimes it takes time for you guys to make up your mind, and therefore all these videos are posted. They're always posted on Facebook, on Instagram. And now look at this. This is a light cream beige color, and here it is. This is in pure Katan silk, and it's Sona Rupa. Here it is for you guys to see. One of a very, very neutral color. All of these Katan silks are beautiful, just worn. You know, you can wear a nice Katan silk kurta with pants in silk. We will give you plain silks with all of them in contrast. You can, of course, wear it with these dupattas that we are showing you. But these are some classics. It means that you must, you know, have some of these, because, you know, what happens is that I know that sometimes you see a dupatta, you like it. Sometimes you see a, you know, at Neve or elsewhere, anywhere. And it's wonderful, you know, it's wonderful to have some neutral kurtas in your wardrobe, a black or a gold or a pink, which you can just wear on any given day. So you can just wear it, and, you know, it's, you know, I know you're running late, last minute, you want to dress up. You can just wear any dupatta with these, you know, classic kurtas. This is one such color. You could wear black, pink, red, any color would go. So all of these silks that we are showing you today are such kinds, you know, 3,800 for this. This one is 18,800 for this dupatta. They're all like that. You can, you know, just have some of them in your wardrobe for that classic look. And now we're going to show you a same on same. And look at that. Wow, guys. Wow. All of you preparing for haldis and weddings, and, you know, who cannot have enough of pink, you know, somebody like me. Yeah, this one's for you guys. This is Sona Rupa in Katan silk with this Georgette dupatta, and look at it together. So this is a same on same combination. We love to show you also these same on same. So you can go for an entire suit. So this is, of course, Katan silk, works very well for whether it is you know, a pant or a lehenga or a anarkali. You know, it'll work for all of that. So you could go for, you know, entire outfit made out of it, and you could go for this dupatta. Look at that. Look at that color and what it brings out. Yeah, so there are many pink ladies. Yeah, trust me, we sell a lot of pink, and I love the color. I mean, I love red, I love black, but, you know, pink is also pink. So yes. So this one is that. Here it is. This combination, it's gorgeous together. It's beautiful together. Of course, you could take only the dupatta and the kurta. That's always a possibility. But this one is a stunning combination together. And now we're also going to come to this. This is again a red katan silk. So this is only gold, guys. This is only gold. And with this one we have a shaded dupatta, and look at this. This is yellow and orange and red all in it together. Now look at that combination. So if you're gonna, I'm gonna show it to you. In fact, drape it at one side and show it to you. Look at this. So this one with this, it's beautiful together. You could wear it with this. You could just take it with a gold. Now look at this. You wear it here, tuck it this side, looks very different. And you wear it, let's see. You wear it like this. Now I love the red color, and then how it kind of flows to this orange and yellow, and that's the look, guys. That's the look. Of course, I'm wearing a very different kind of material as my base. Classically, I would wear a georgette with it, or I would wear a silk, the kinds of silk that we are doing. And with all of this, so much color, what would also be brilliant is this. Look at this. So I would really recommend a gold kurta. Look at this katan silk, because it works beautifully as a base. It's very neutral as a base. It gives you that good base, but it also lets you play with all of these beautiful colors. So yes, it's a wonderful combination together. I'd shown you red, but if I had to recommend that or this, I would definitely recommend this one. So yes, here it is, this one. And we still have many more combinations coming up. So welcome to everyone who's joined in late. We have launched the Uru collection. I'm wearing that. It's pure cotton suits, Banarsi, woven, jacquard, and in cotton, 5,800 range for the entire suit. That was launched today at the very beginning of the show. And now what we are showing you are pure katan silk fabrics and beautiful, amazing georgette dupattas with it. You can buy it together, or you could buy it separately. Both are an option. And look at this beautiful, oh wow, just look at it. This two-tone color. It's a gorgeous shade of, it's a very deep pink, purple, blue kind of shade. Look at that. And guys, I'm gonna have a hard time putting down my finger on this one and telling you which color it is, but it's an amazing, gorgeous shade. It's a shade of pink with two-tone, which means it's a two-tone. Look at that. It could, you could also actually call it burgundy. I think that would be better. Sometimes when I see it in the screen and very up and close, I know it's difficult for me to kind of say, but it has a tinge of blue, and that's the dual tone in it. And now this one, of course, you could do a navy blue dupatta. We did have that navy blue dupatta, didn't we? Let me just show it to you. Okay, here it is. So yes, and I know that combination was amazing. It's going to be tough if you ask me to choose one. But if you want a night look, something deep and, night cocktail, then this is a gorgeous look for that, for a wedding, at night. So anything, where there is, going to be yellow light, where you're going to wear, then it's going to be amazing. Now, if you're planning to wear it in the day or for a lighter function anytime, then you could go for this dupatta. Look at this. Pure georgette dupatta, and it's a beautiful combination. And it kind of tones down the darkness of that fabric. And, it's beautiful, that fabric and the darkness and the depth of it. But it just depends. So this one is this beautiful georgette dupatta. Let's see. I'm almost surrounded by it. Here it is. So this is the second yellow of today. We have two yellows. This is the second one. Now it is beautiful, this color. So it just, all of these, so it just depends on how you want to wear it. You want to make a darker combination, you want to make it lighter. It really depends on all of you guys. And after this one, what I'm going to show you is one such play of dark and light. And look at this. Here it is again, a very classic gold with this beautiful shade of orange. Guys, didn't I promise you today you're going to have orange and yellows and all of that? And look at this, 20,800. Now this one has these minute delicate figure designs, Sona Rupa in pure georgette, Banarasi dupattas, and in this very, very pleasant, beautiful orange color. And here it is, so now this one, of course, we could do with a pink and all of those beautiful colors, but I absolutely love combinations like this. Let me just show it to you. Here it is. This is again a Sona Rupa in Katan in gold color. And look at the combination. It's so subtle, you know, you really don't have to think twice where to wear it, how to wear it. It's just right. It just goes you know, very well together, and you cannot go wrong with it. So whether you, of course you could pick a darker color, you know, do it with that, you know, you could even go, let's see, let's show you this combination. Look at this. Now this is a very different look. This is also our premium katan, and all of this in Sona Rupa. These are very closely placed, and it's a very beautiful, you know, shade of green. Look at that. Look at that swish and swoosh. So very closely placed buta. This is our premium katan silk. You know, it's so, this one you could take again with this, and it would be a very different look. 4,400 for this one. This dupatta 20,800. And look at this. So this is a wonderful combination to go for. But now you see, I'm showing you the first combination again to show you, and here it is. So this one is 3,800 per meter. This one, so it's such a two different looks, very, very unique, different looks with these two. Here it is, here it is. Look at this orange and saffron. It's so, you know, look at the colors. It's something very different. You know, we've done oranges and we do it and you guys love it, but this orange, very different. This saffron shade of yellow. And now, because we've not done red today, we could not do it today. And look at this beautiful red color. Here it is. I'm just going to pause and I'm going to show you two combinations with it, because you know, I love a green and a red. Yes, it always looks nice, you know, very dressy. You know, you can wear it to any occasion. Oh, look at that detailed, very, very fine, intricate work in Sona Rupa in red. And it's, you know, it's really, look at that, something. So this one is for 18,800, and the red is beautiful for brides, for anyone who likes to wear red. Now look at this combination. You wear it with this. This is a green katan silk, again 3,800, and it gives you a very different look, and it looks amazing. It just gives you that pop. Thoda sa, now this one I'm going to say, you want to make it dressier, thoda heavy, you know, you want to make that look, then get some embellishment, some handwork, you know. I always say, even if it's, you know, little, just that accentuation will, you know, just give it a very different look, if that's what you like. If not, of course, these are very, very grand and very easy to wear on its own. They're very dressy. They're perfect for many occasions. So look at this together. Here it is. So you could go for this. But of course, you know me, I'm going to always show you a red with a beige. It's, you know, mind-blowing, the color, the combination. You cannot, you know, not like this. So this is as Banarsi as it gets, as Indian as a traditional color combination, but always looks nice. So this is one combination, two combinations for some dupattas, yes. And now coming to the fact, I was talking about it earlier. I wanted to talk about it. And that was the fact that I wanted to thank all of you for literally, you know, for literally sending us so many pictures of you guys wearing our pieces on Diwali, and all through the functions, and, you know, the blah blah, all the ahead and, you know, the back functions. And it was amazing, guys. It was amazing. You know, me and my team, we could not be more excited just to see your pictures, you know, your pictures in our inbox all of these days, and so many different looks and styles, and such unique, you know, each of your touch to the dresses that you are wearing. And guys, you know, whether you know, it was meant for our eyes, whether it was meant for sharing, my deepest thanks to you guys, you know, because we make these pieces, yes we do, and we love it, but, you know, I mean, when we see you wear it, it's something else. So thank you guys. You really did make all of our days, you know, just looking at you guys, you know, wearing it. You know, if you of course wanted us to share it, some pictures we've shared. If not, it's for our eyes only, then yes, we've seen it, we've loved it. And so thank you, my deepest thanks for all of you guys. You know, you made our Diwali brighter, you know, more fun with all of that. Now look at this one. So I said we will be doing some same on same combinations, and look at that. that deep blue. I've said this, that I love this blue in Katan. It's such a wonderful night color. It comes out so well. I don't think there's any fabric other than Katan in which this color comes out as well as it does. So if in Katan, if I had to pick maybe 2-3 colors, this would be one of it. One of it would always be gold. And look at this deep blue color. This deep blue color with this dupatta right here in Sona Rupa. So this is a same on same combination that we are doing. And you know what, you can never go wrong with a same on same. Here it is. And guys, the clock is ticking. It's been a long one, but I do want to show you more of these pieces before we end. Now this one is a jal work. It's a heavier work. Look at this dupatta. It's gorgeous. It's all spread out in the Sona and Rupa. And yes, for these, the pictures, you'll have to just request us. We are not going to be posting it. Here it is. So look at this combination together. Buy it separately. Both the options are definitely there. Now let's see what I am just thinking, what I want to show you next. I want to show you a black, yes, and a pastel pink. So lots of different palettes today. Pink on pink and a navy and a shaded dupatta, and look at that black. Here it is. So from a black to gray, it's a shaded dupatta. I'm coming this side just to kind of show you all the colors. But look at the colors. It's a beautiful, shaded dyeing on this. 18,800 for this. And now if you want something, you can of course go for a gold. Needless to say, you could go for a black also, But I would really love for you guys to see this combination. It's a pastel pink color with this. This one is 4,200, I think. Let's see. I think it's a 4,200 per meter silk fabric. And with this, you will be seeing this color. So look at this. Now, this may be unusual, but I think it looks amazing together. Again, gives you the right base without really, sending out too many colors. This kurta, and with this, you wear this combination, and it's, it's gorgeous, it's elegant. Again, this combination, when you do a dark and a light like this, you can really wear it to many different occasions. You can wear it. And here it is, the last, I think the last couple of 2-3 sets. You cannot not have a purple and a red in this season, this time of the year. You have to have it. So here it is, this combination. This is again a Sona Rupa, and look at it. Look at it here, all through its glory. This one with this. Now this one is again a Sona Rupa, deep shade of purple, and really it's a wow of a shade. Look at that color. Look at it. Look at the sheen. Only Katan can have this one. So very soft. It has a structured flow, very soft flow, but it's a structured flow. It will not flow like a Georgette or a Munga. And look at that Bhuta all over. Yes, we do have Munga suits, and we have Georgette suits, and all of them. But today is about Georgette dupattas and pure Katan silk fabrics. Bottom plain silk eyes can be added to all of these, any of these. And of course, the launch of Uru, the collection that I'm wearing, 5,800 for that one. You cannot not, have one of those in your wardrobe. Very easy, very authentic, very Banarsi. And yes, so we're down to our last two combinations. And yes, as I said, I will always have these gold combinations for you guys. We've done I think we've done a blue, or I think we've done a red with a beige. And look at this pink. Oh my God, look at that work right here. The softness, the flow. Here it is. Here it is for you guys. Look at the flow. These are the perfect companions for your lehengas. You have to, wear it if you want some flow, if you want to just put it at the side. And look at this combination. So this one is a darker gold color, Sona Rupa again, and it's a wonderful combination. Cannot go wrong with this one. It's always there, always works, and very elegant as always. So yes, so that's what all these colors are about. You can wear it on a lehenga. Georgette has that ability to really just flow and feel easy. However you want to kind of dress it up, make it look. And this one, now this one is a pastel blue color with again this dupatta which has this detailing right here, you know, all of this fine detailing right here on the border. It's a very light lemon and a green touch of Meena with all of this. Let me just show you all the figures and the details right here. So all of these dupattas are in cut work, they are in fekwa work. Look at that. What a, you know, it's such a yellow color, and to, you know, just complement it and make it really as a subtle combination. Look at this. This is you know, a very pastel blue color and Sona Rupa again. All of these fabrics you can buy separately. Thank you so much. You can buy separately, you can buy them together, and this is the combination, guys. Look at it. I'm going to show you once again. Here it is, this combination. This is how soft it is. Look at that, the swish of Katan silk you know, fabric. So here it is, and that's a wrap you know, for today. I'm gonna wear, or at least try to find, my yellow dupatta, which I do intend to wear and show you for one last time. But I think it's gonna be a difficult feat, you know, given how much how much. Oh, here it is. Now I found it. So now you guys can only imagine how much stuff I have around me, and really, you know, blessed, because it's all beautiful and it's all nice. Now, yes, this is, guys, the launch of Uru today, and many other pieces for you guys to see for all of these seasons that are coming up, for all the, you know, occasions and celebrations that are coming up, and, you know, for all kind of, you know, basically Katan silk or any of these pure cotton. Of course, you can anyways wear it all year round. So this is the launch of Uru. But Georgette is an all season, and Katan silk, some consider it to be only maybe a, you know, cooler month wear. But really, all of these are pure fabrics with the right lining, and of course some, mostly, you know, lots of function happening indoor. So anyways, it's all cool down no matter what. So these are all season fabric, natural fabrics, pure fabrics for you guys at your doorstep worldwide. Banarsi pure silk fabrics to you, or in cotton, at your doorstep worldwide, no matter where you are. COD is available in India at 2% extra, and for anyone you know, outside, if you're wondering how to make a payment, we have Stripe, which is safe and secure and very easy you know, mode to pay. You can use your international credit or debit card at no extra charges. So you can just ask for the link, and, you know, that's that. So here it is. Thank you guys for joining in. It was lovely as ever, and see you very, very soon again. Thank you guys. Thank you.